Number 2, the YETI Rambler. 20 ounces stainless steel vacuum insulated tumbler is a standout product that effortlessly combines style with durability. This tumbler is a testament to YETI's commitment to producing high-quality outdoor gear that meets the demands of modern consumers. The all-stainless steel construction not only gives this tumbler a sleek and modern look, but also makes it incredibly durable. Whether you're taking it on a rugged outdoor adventure or using it for everyday activities, the YETI Rambler is built to withstand the toughest of conditions. One of the most impressive features of this tumbler is its vacuum insulation, which ensures that your hot drinks stay hot and your cold drinks stay cold. This makes it the perfect companion for both morning coffee and afternoon iced tea, no matter where your outdoor activities take you. The magnetic, break-resistant, and leak-proof design adds a layer of convenience and reliability that sets this tumbler apart from others on the market.